Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Simply Gilded unboxing. I hope that you'll stick around and see the new washi that I picked up. If you don't know who I am Stacy. You can find me on Instagram at Stacy_scraps_plans_creates. I am so appreciative of you watching this video, so please do stick around to the end, like and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. So here we go. So I've got two packages from Simply Gilded's pre-sale that she had a couple months ago, I think. And I'm super excited to open the smaller one because it matches some stickers. So I've got some cute sticker sheets from Sweet Tea Plans, and they are themed after the Disney movie Encanto. And when I saw these washi tapes, I thought that they would be a perfect match. So without further ado, so as usual, it comes with a few sticker sheets, seals, journaling cards. So let's go ahead and take those out. So let's take a look at the goodies. So I've got a purple bow seal, a sample card with these beautiful roses, bow seals in a pink and turquoise ombre, which actually matches pretty good there. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So deco sheet, and I think this might be in the pre-sale. I think this is the Desert Rose, and then a journaling card, which seems to match that bow seal. So pretty. I'm gonna put those aside. And now we're gonna look at the washi. So this one is called the Sisters Butterfly set of 3, 5 milliliter, and the Family Butterfly set of 3, 5 milliliter. So they both have light gold, and I don't know if you can tell, but they have butterflies on them. And so you've got like a purple green kind of ombre effect that kind of goes around on this one, and actually they both do. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna have to open these up and swatch them to really get the effect, but if you can't already tell, I think they match the color scheme of these sticker sheets. So very excited about that. So we'll swatch those later. All right, so then the bigger package. So let's do the washi last. I love this folder, it's so pretty. Make sure I got everything out of there. Okay, so we've got a pink bow, a sampler card with the little sushi on it, so cute, and some bow seals, and a very pretty sparkly holographic, and then the butterfly seals, so pretty. Again, this is, you know, kind of goes with that whole theme that I was going for. These are the Desert Rose bow seals, and another deco sheet. And then I've got some journaling cards. So these are the passports. So France passport and the Desert Rose landscape. So there's going to be washi that goes with these two, and then another journaling card. And then I picked up the Desert Rose sticker bundle. So there you go, you've got your full boxes, and then your headers, Monday through Sunday, and then flags, and some little decos. I love these little bow seals. And then you've got half boxes, quarter boxes. Okay, so let's take a look at the washi. So I've got a journaling card that matches the sampler. I apologize for all the crinkling. Okay, so I got a couple of pairs of items. Okay, so first up is the lanterns, and let's see, what's the actual name of this? Lanterns and Sons Stardust. I'm not sure if I have it upside down or not, but it's like purple and just like a rose pink foil maybe. And then I got this might be part of the same Lanterns and Stardust washi. And then I have the let's see, Sunday Morning Garden Cafe. All right, and then Sunday Morning Bookshelf. I just love this book washi, it's so pretty. And then you've got some Desert Rose, I believe 5 millimeter. I always say milliliter. Very pretty. This is the Desert Rose landscape. So you can see the different landscape, and I believe these ones had the foil, and I think we got a freebie because one was ghosting, or maybe the colors weren't exactly what she wanted. So that's pretty fun. And then this is the Provence, France passport. So very pretty. I think I'm gonna swatch a few of these, and then I will come back and show you what those look like. Okay, the first one I'm gonna open up is the butterfly washi. So I may not get all around, but we're gonna try just to be able to see the gradient of color. And I'm not really sure which one is the family versus the sisters. So this is the second tape, and I'm seeing like burgundy to like an orange to a yellow, and then this one is like a green. So I'm thinking that this one is family, because the character Bruno, I think his colors seem to be associated with green. So that's the first one. So pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the second one. Oh, that's so pretty. So this has like almost like a turquoise, like a deep green, purples, pinks, yellow. And then this one is a gradient of blues and purples. And then we've got one more. Really gorgeous, vibrant colors. So there you go. And again, there's the butterfly seals. And I just really wanted, I believe I picked up this sticker kit after I had ordered the pre-sale, and I just think it's a perfect match. So I'm really excited to do a spread with those sticker sheets. Okay, so the next one I think I'll do is the Provence, France, and it goes the opposite direction, but there you go. I'll go ahead and cut it. I hate to cut it, but I'll go ahead and do that. So there you go. And it matches, you know, again with the journaling card, with the sunset and the hills and the lavender garden, rose of lavender. Okay, and then the next one is the desert rose, which again, I believe that they had like a quality issue with the desert rose, and so she went ahead and sent both of them out. Okay, so that's the first one, and I believe, well, I mean, it looks like this does not have any foiling. If I could find the end of it. It's always interesting to me what direction the roll comes out. But there you go. And I can definitely see a difference. Again, this one's got the foiling in it, but like the sun, I guess, is a different color, and this is more of a muted color, whereas this one is like more vibrant in the color tones. Still pretty. I mean, I don't have any complaints. And then there's the journaling card. I mean, I do prefer the foiled one for sure, but still gorgeous nonetheless. Okay, so I'm gonna need another sheet of paper because I am using the back of that. And go ahead and pull this one out. And I'm going to swatch the coffee. Let's see, this one was called the Sunday Morning Garden Caffeine. I don't know about you, but I am definitely a coffee drinker. I have to have my cup of coffee every morning unless I'm sick, which you may or not be able, you may be able to tell that I'm a little nasally today because I am getting over being sick. But there you go, really pretty. So this looks like a coffee cup with like a rose design, and then teapot, so it's caffeine, so it's not just coffee. I think there's probably tea and then like boba, your to-go cup, traditional coffee pot. Super pretty. I love this one. Okay, and then I'm not gonna swatch both of them, but I wanted to see what the lanterns look like. And I'm gonna say it probably goes this way because if your lanterns are going up into the sky, they're probably going into the stars. And so there you go. So this is reminds me, so if we're on like a Disney theme, it reminds me of Rapunzel. I have 3 daughters, you know, they've grown up on Disney, and so therefore we've watched all the princess movies, of course, a million times. So they are not lost on me, and I do see the connection, and also very excited to do a spread with this washi in that theme. So yeah, so that's the only ones that I opened up. I can show you again what the other ones were. So this was like a Stardust, this was the bookshelf one, and then these are like the 5mm that go with the Desert Rose. So I think that's a really good match. And this one, real quick, I'll just show you a little project that I did with a similar washi. So I had picked up this little box, if you will. It looks like a house, obviously, but I had the idea to line it with the Simply Gilded book washi to make it look like it is a library, if you will, just rows and rows of books, and then I have other washi in there. So you can see this is slightly more brown tone, and it looks like it has rose gold foil, versus the ones inside here have almost like a light gold and more of a peachy pink tone. So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Simply Gilded does have a release coming out tomorrow, and she's got some new albums coming out, a photo album, so it's like a true 4x6 album, and there's this gorgeous like pearlescent pink, almost mother of pearl album, and I may have to order it. I am most likely going to order it, so I will definitely unbox that with you. You can get my first reactions, you know, touch, feel, color, texture. I'm really excited to see and feel that album once I get it. She's got a couple of sticker packs coming out as well. I didn't get to fully like immerse myself into her live to really capture everything that she has coming out, but what I could see as I was working and watching it at the same time, I was excited for a couple of things. So I do need to go back and watch it. I know the one thing that I am definitely jumping online for are those albums. So anyways, hope you enjoyed my haul. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye.